Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Anindot Education. And right now, we learn about Skyjack operation. Before we start, please share, subscribe, comment, and share. Operation aside, Skyjack is potentially hazard activity. There are dangerous material like a entangled round hit by a car equipment and danger electricity. s- like some current electricity from the skyjack electricity and the current electricity from network electricity passing above and danger gravity. A fall from height, B fall from same level, C the wall object rising and lowering material onto platform ergonomic, A fatigue and B unsuitable position safe and not comfortable. Potential danger mentioned above is potential associates hazard with skyjack operation only. Others think to know when Operation Skyjack. A. Before entering the work area, make sure you know locations of the nearest mass point for work area and keep away battery from fire and don't smoke near with the battery. Don't leave relative load heavy without help friend or tools help lift. And C, operations must make sure that the standard safety feature built into the Skyjack are available and functions with good. The operator must know and implement all our warning safety existing work in the book, instructions, operations, and label on the Skyjack. E. Don't using a platform without guardrail, lock pin, and door enter. If and don't stand or sit on the guard rail. Don't operate skyjack at the time drum and don't put aside equipment and warning safety and don't leaving skyjack with key mounted on the switch and don't rise from platform when skyjack is on top a truck for lift or vessel under. Don't use trail and scaffolding or equipment others with objective at platform height, and don't use skyjack if the tire is not standard, inflated and damaged. Don't rise the platform when the white tine or weather lightning, and don't do work outside platform guardrail range and skisser lift must be free when the platform is the rises or lower. Prepare to operate Skyjack. Number one, working. Identifications danger. The danger is identified hazard, and you can control danger and fulfill and the conditions work and requirement locations work. Work step number two, get ready tools work. The danger are work become not effective and delay, and danger from use tool that are standard. Control, learn other work, asking that have not been understood to the barrier. And three, simply comply with the SOP regarding use hand tool and the power tool. And work step number three, perform a free operations check with the inspect conditions, work and functions, A, control operations and emergencies, B, equipment safety and limit switches, tire conditions and pressure, C, or trigger leak air, hydraulics and material burn, loses component or loose conditions cable, and the six conditions break sign warning, sign control, and introductions origin, characterism, and including looking pit. I check high oil level, engine, battery water, hydraulic, and cooling water machine, and material burn. The danger is danger from use a broken skyjack or not worthy use. You can perform a pre-operation check following the manual book or checklist. 2. If one abnormalities, or things that are not standard, then quick report to superior you do repair in accordance competitions and authority you and ask to party relate for do repair. Don't using Skyjack which is not standard. Turning on the Sky machine via the machine panel. Work step number three. Open the cover engine, pull the on off switch engine off or on switch located at the top on the panel next to the radiator. Danger is hand travel door machine. You can control like the picture hold the machine door so that it doesn't clamp or close again. Work step number four, press the glow button until the indicator light turn off. The danger is machine not can turn it on. Control press the grow button if majority burning conditions call. Work step number five, press the start button to turn on machine. The dangerous people around started consequences of the danger is not on running. Turning on the Skyjack machine via the operations control panel on the platform. Work step number one, turn the emergency power disconnect switch to on positions. Emergency power disconnect switch locations in the front panel electrical, hydraulic, and battery. The danger is strong current electricity, and you can control clean or dry hand from the conditions wet only, oily, and make sure switch location switch good. And you make sure emergency stop button doesn't work in position stress. Danger machine can turn on and you control twist and full emergency stop button if active. Turn on the sky machine number three is open the cover engine, pull the on off switch engine off on off switch location at the top on the panel next to the radiator. The danger is hand trapper door machine, and you can control hold the machine door so that it doesn't clamp or close again. And four, press the start button, turn on machine and button these locations on the left side of the operations control panel in the platform. The danger is people around started. Consequently, the engine is on running and you can do control sounds in hawking once before turn on machine. Running Skyjack go, go up to on the platform, danger fall, and control use 3-point contact when climbing stairs and make sure platform door close. Or step number two, set the switch elections. Elections surface root or turkey storage toggle switch and the danger is skyjacks can walk in the force conditions. You can control set the circular power engine low or high. If skyjack while climbing, it's best use power high engine. And what's step number three? Set the switch drive or outrigger or platform options to the left to drive. The danger is skyjack now can work even the outriggers are working and the control make sure the label on the switch seen clear and correct his appointment. Last one is steer forward, backward, left or right. Press the drive enable switch to run skyjack. The danger is crossing. You can control sound in sound it through a horn, turn on the strobe light and make sure the path skyjack will detect in the safe and there are not obstacle. Dangers number two, skyjack upside down, and you can control, make sure the path that will be traversed by skyjack in the condition safe, evenness, violence, and freedom road. Rises or lower the outrigger work skyjack parking. The danger is skyjack top ladder and control checks in the conditions of the floor surface. Make sure the floor surface is flat and hard to support the load of the skyjack. Dangers number two, skyjacks was hit by other activity. You can control make sure locations parking safe from other activities, and install area dive diverges. And the danger is the platform hit an obstacle when being raised. And you can control, make sure the skyjack is parking in safe area from obstacle above, and danger is outrigger not done. Control, set the switch drive or outrigger or platform options to the right to outrigger directions. Rises or lower the outrigger is work lower the outrigger. The danger is outrigger no down. Control set the switch power hydraulic low or high in the low positions. Set the switches no each outrigger and lower or raises the outrigger by pressing the hydraulic button and the outrigger up down button. Rise or lower the outrigger. Work lower outrigger the danger skyjack toplet and counter control. Install the base plate to the expand outrigger. Step on the floor. And two, lowering or rising the outriggers doesn't mind with the method rises both right outrigger formally now left of the levers net new right. It's better from both from an rear outrigger 1, 2, 3, 4 or outrigger 1, 4, 2, 3 and make sure the inner sub positions free support taken by the outrigger and for don't lowering the outrigger on an unlevel floor hard or on elevations that is not equal, not even as. Run over by a rigger, make sure rust free of rigger disease from the obstacle include the member body main and rising and lower the platform via the hydraulic box panel. Workshop open the hydraulic, the danger is hand caught in the panel box door. Control hold panel box door that is doesn't blown away from the clues. And work step number 2, press the up on or down button to rises or lowering the platform. The danger is the platform hit an obstacle above it, and through traveled in Skisor Skyjack and the Dangerous 3 Skyjack stoplet. You can control checks in the platform ascent and the descent spots, and to make sure the Skisor are the safe conditions so where there is nothing such as hand, cable, etc. in the vault. And to control, make sure the outrigger has installs all, and make sure for hard and strong holding skyjack. Make sure the skyjack doesn't go up during strong wind. Rises and lower platform via operations control panel. Work set is up and down selection. Selector switch on the platform up or down selector. The danger is wrong commands will be upgraded to down and vice versa. And control make sure the lever is still on the clear legal and not misdirected. And set the switch drive or outrigger or platform options to right or to platform directions. And rule step number 2, lower or raises the platform with the pressing knob that the hydraulic are located in the left side and the danger is from the move and you can control set scalar power hydraulic low or high if the platform carries burning EV results use power low engine and rise and lower perform via operations panel number 4 lower or raises the platform with pressing knob the hydraulic are located the left side of the operations control panel. Danger are the platform hits the obstacle above it and traveled in the skisser skyjack or rolled over and you can control checks the ascending and descending parts of the platform. Make sure the skisser is in condition safe where not there is something like hand, cables, and etc. that are is default. And 3, make sure the outrigger is installed all. And 4, make sure the blower hard and strong holding skyjack. And number 5, make sure the skyjack doesn't go off during storm wind. Democrating the platform during an emergency. Work step 1. Open the hydraulic panel box. On the 2 button above tank oil hydraulic, turn and pull on button emergency lowering valve and press full button K lower perform emergency lower press button switch. Working on the Skyjack platform. Rise or lowering material into the platform, danger fall or fall objects control. Use tool lift and tools help a process lift its size and the SWL, SWYL. And then dropping material from the platform, skyjack droplet, you can control the make guard line, guardrail as the hanger tools lift such as chain block or the on-running rope moment to the appointment and working on the Skyjack's danger fall and Skyjack platform sake. The fall are control install guardrail and use body harness. Skyjack platform 6 is company with SWL load minimum is 907 kilogram and the limit of people and loads permitted to be carried and board on the platform is maximum 6 people with still taking SWYL into account. Finishing the jobs with Skyjack, turning on the Skyjack and danger Skyjack's not dead, and control turn on machines with the pressing on off switch engine off on switch located at the top and the panel next to the radiator. 2. Turning the emergency power disconnect switch to off positions. Rule step number 2, clean up. Endanger is skyjack is broken and you can control clean skyjack every finished use and don't use air understanding features that because pressure, air, and dust can damage the seal and control make sure the warning label and the skyjack is not damaged. And 3, saving skyjack. The danger is skyjack is broken and control park skyjack in the design area determined and don't using outrigger to prevent skyjack from move. Use cock the tire so the sky doesn't move and report. Report skyjack is the broken loose by the other parties and control report the superior if there are abnormalities is in Skyjack and put the damage status level color yellow if Skyjack is damaged or not safe for the use. Turkey toggler switch. Turkey toggler switch is switches from run Skyjacks accordingly conditions slope and the road, namely surface road or surface road with slope. Options for road surface conditions with slope and option for flat road surface conditions. You can to right and flat and conditions option. Drive steer controller. Drive or steer controller, namely lever for runs and the direct skyjack. There are 3 functions control on the steer, namely the drive, enable switch or switch that only the if pressed then Skyjack will route and control forward and backward as well as control left and the right direction. Engine start pause button, engine start pause button, I knob for turn in the Skyjack machine. Location knob, this is the left side of the control panel. Speed around machine determined with the hydraulic selection switch high and low. Hydraulic control. Hydraulic switch is not for the active pump hydraulic. Actually, from the active pump hydraulic is the rise and the fall of the platform and outrigger. Location knob is beside engine start button. See image above. Speed the work of rising and lowering the platform or outrigger is also determined with engine selection switch high and low. Pressure system hydraulic units at this skyjack reached 3,000 psi. Outrigger control location in the operations control panel which work as switch. Choose for the lower or rise and the outrigger. There are four pieces to switch for the for control is outrigger cylinder. Up or down platform selection switch. It is the selection switch for the rise or lower the platform. Hydraulic switch, engine switch, up down perform and engine indicator on off. Emergency push button. The button is located behind and the control panel switch work for the turn off skyjack machine at the time conditions emergency. Meaning of safety symbol. Don't running skyjack and road perform surface as road that is elevations different staff and this is demolished with goods loading dock and don't rise. Number two, don't rise the platform on the surface uneven floor or floor that is not hard. Do not skyjack the surface uneven floor or floor that is not hard and the moment lift burden and don't run skyjack or rises the platform on the surface floor and the top cells and don't rise platform during storm wind condition. Reference ministerial degree and considering a compositions health and safety general mining ministry and mining and energy regulation of the ministry energy and minerals resource number 30H for of 2014 conditioning determines the system mining safety mineral and coal. Conclusions. The last one. Operations of the Skyjack on the tool help working the hack provide proven give efficiency, security, and confidence in the implementation work construction and maintenance with system control responsive hydraulic stable work perform and feature adequate safety. Skyjack is capable increase productivity work at the time minimize risk accident work. While the operations of Skyjack must be still follow procedure safety available work, including operations training, routine checks before use, as well as understanding to conditions environment work. Without implementations, correct procedure, potential danger like upset down, driver or fall from the height still can happen. We trust Skyjack is solution effective for work and hack if operated by personal trained and the proper supervision. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and share. And if I have many mistakes for my education for us, uh, I'm so sorry. And wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next video.